Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rum cocktails at home. To begin your home bartending journey, you will need a few essential tools. A jigger ensures accurate measurements, while a shaker helps combine ingredients perfectly. A muddler is great for fresh herbs and fruits, and a strainer keeps your drink smooth. Having these items ready makes the cocktail making process much more enjoyable and efficient, setting you up for success. Now, let's dive into some classic rum cocktails that are simple to master. For a refreshing mojito, muddle 8 to 10 mint leaves with 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 ounce of lime juice, then add 2 ounces of white rum and top with soda. A crisp daiquiri needs 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, shaken well. These foundational recipes are perfect for starting your rum cocktail adventure. To truly elevate your rum cocktails, focus on technique and presentation. Always use freshly squeezed citrus juice. It makes a significant difference in taste. When shaking, aim for about 15 to 20 seconds to achieve optimal chilling and dilution. For stirred drinks, gently stir for 30 seconds. Finally, a thoughtful garnish, like a lime wheel or a sprig of mint, adds visual appeal and enhances the aromatic experience, making your drink truly special. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to get creative and customize your rum cocktails. Don't be afraid to experiment with different rum varieties. A dark rum will offer a richer flavor than a light rum. Adjust the amount of sweetener or citrus to find your perfect balance. Consider infusing your rum with ingredients like vanilla beans or cinnamon sticks for unique flavor notes. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to craft truly personalized and delicious drinks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.